Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running Ubuntu and you want a secure, reliable OpenJDK distribution, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the two easiest ways to install Eclipse Temurin step by step with everything you need to get a clean Java setup. Eclipse Temurin is a free open source build of OpenJDK that's secure, reliable, and widely used in production. On Ubuntu, you've got two ways to install it. You can use the deb package through apt, which keeps everything updated automatically, or you can download the tar.gz from the Adoptium website if you prefer a manual setup or want to run multiple versions side by side. Both give you the same JDK, it's simply down to your preference. Before we begin, if you haven't already, it's always a good idea to run apt-update just to make sure your package list is up to date. First, we'll need to install the packages we actually need. This command makes sure that wget, apt-transport-https, and gpg are available. These are essentially required for securely adding the repository. Next, we need to download the Eclipse Adoptium GPG key. This essentially verifies that the package we install are genuine and haven't been tampered with. This command is a bit long, so I'll put it in the comments so you can easily copy and paste it. Now we need to add the Adoptium apt repository. This tells Ubuntu where to find the Temurin packages. This one's also quite long, so I'll include it in the comments as well, and it automatically picks up your Ubuntu codename from etc os release, so it works across all supported versions. Once that's done, run apt-update again so that the system picks up the new repository. And finally, install the version of Temurin you want. Here I'm installing Temurin 25, but you can swap out the 25 for any other supported version. And that's it. Temurin is now installed through apt, and it will automatically update along with all of the rest of your system packages. The second option is to download the tar.gz directly from the Adoptium website. This is perfect if you prefer a manual setup, or if you want to keep multiple JDK versions side by side without touching your system packages. To get started, you need to go to https://adoptium.net. Once that's loaded up, you're going to see two download buttons. The first big pink download Temurin button is great if you just want to get the latest LTS build for your platform. You don't care about anything else. There's also the other downloads option, which is great if you're, say, looking for a different LTS version such as JDK 21 or JDK 17. It might also be useful if you're not necessarily looking for the build of Temurin for the OS or architecture that you're running today. So you could, say, be looking for an ARM build or an x64 build. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go back to the home page and hit the big pink download button. So once you've done that, you're going to see that the tar.gz is automatically downloaded. It takes a couple of seconds. And once that's done, you simply need to open a terminal up on your screen. And you need to cd into the downloads directory or wherever your Ubuntu system downloads files to. You then need to extract that tar.gz, which I do with a simple tar-xf command. And you can see from running ls that that's now extracted the JDK directory into the downloads folder. From there, all you need to do is run // the path that's just been extracted /bin/java -version. And it's as simple as that. If you wish to add this binary to your path, you could append or prepend it. You could also export the Java home variable with the path to that bin directory. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Java, Eclipse Temurin, and developer tooling. Thanks for watching.